Yesterday I taught you HTML program which you are looking on the screen. More important points I am telling you about this program. But before proceeding, a few words about the HTML. HTML started its journey in the early 1980 with the GML, General Markup Language, and in 1986 this language was modified and named SGML. SGML stands for Standard General Markup Language. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee and its team redesigned it and named HTML. Means it is the history of the HTML. While writing the HTML document, we require the two basic tools, HTML editor and the browser. HTML editor is used for creating and saving the document. For example, we are using Notepad, and browser is used for viewing the document. For example, you can use Google Chrome. Something about the tags. Tags define how to information on the web page will be displayed, as yesterday I told you, and tags do not appear in the browser. Means as you are looking in the Notepad, the scenario will not be same as like in the browser. Tags do not displayed on the browser window, but they display the effect. Each tag in the HTML follow the some rules also. Now about the head tag. Yesterday I told you that our program starts and end with the HTML tag, and the difference between starting and ending is that at the end we are putting slash, while we don't have slash at the beginning of the HTML tag. And regarding the head tag, the head tag contains the tags that define the header of the document. For example, we write the title tag inside the head tag, and title tag, whatever you are writing in the title tag, it will displayed on the title bar of the web page. One more thing which I would like to tell you, that is, you are looking in the body tag. One more tag is here, BR tag. Did you notice that this BR tag does not have closing BR? And what is the use of the BR tag? You can see that here three lines three lines are written between the body tag, and while we check its program on the browser, here two lines are printed, and the second one line starts after the will be given here. You can see in the program, will be given here is written after the BR tag. Means whatever the text you write after the BR tag, that text will be printed in the browser on the next line. The full form of the BR is break. Whatever the matter you write after the break tag, that matter will be printed in the browser on the next line. I was telling you that did you notice that closing is not here for the BR tag? In HTML you will find two kinds of the tags, container tags and empty tag. One more thing, tags are also known as the elements, or you can call them container elements or empty elements. Those tags which are having opening as well as closing tags are known as container tags, and those tags who don't have their closing tags, they are known as the empty elements. The one example of the empty element is BR, and container element is body, head, title, etc. So hopefully you are understanding very well. Even though if you face any problem, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.